Hello student, good morning everyone. Today I am going to giving you a trick how to balance a chemical equation. It's a very important video for class 9th and 10th because each and every year approx 10 marks question come from balancing. Must come from balancing. In class 9th there are two methods. First hit and trial method, second partial equation method. But hit and trial method is best for up to class 10th. First I am going to say you that why do you balance any equation? Due to conservation of mass must balance chemical equation. Now I am giving you a simple trick. How do you balance any chemical equation very easily? First of all, before balancing any equation, you follow this step. You must follow this step. First, you balance metal. First, you balance metal. Second, you balance non-metal. Second point, non-metal. And third point is oxygen. Then you balance oxygen. And fourth point is hydrogen. You mention this point. You learn this point. First, you balance metal. First, we have a capability which is metal and which is non-metal. That I provide you this video in periodic table. What is the character of metal? Those elements which have tendency to lose electron, that is metal. Those electrons which have tendency to accept electron, that is non-metal. Generally in periodic table, first group, second group of element is known as metal, and 14, 15, 16, 17 group act as a non-metal. So you must command on metal and non-metal. Concept will be crystal clear. Then you command on it. For balancing any equation, first step is that you first balance the metal, then non-metal. After going preceding step, you must check your previous step. That means after forward balancing the forward step, you must go on backward step. For example, if you balance metal, then you go for balancing the non-metal. After balancing the non-metal, again you go backward step, that is metal, and check it that your balancing will be not in this order. So first balance metal, then non-metal, then oxygen, then hydrogen. For example, first example, your concept will be clear by the example carbon plus oxygen is equal to carbon monoxide. How do you balance according to this rule? First you check which element is metal. Here it is carbon, but carbon is act as a non-metal. Oxygen is also non-metal. So metal is not present. Then you go on. Actually metal is absent in this equation. So go on non-metal. Non-metal, here non-metal is carbon. So first you balance the carbon in left hand side and right hand side. In left hand side, count the number of carbon in left hand side. Only one carbon in left hand side and one carbon in right hand side. So carbon is already balanced in this equation. Now according to concept, after non-metal you balance the oxygen. So come on the point oxygen. Here two oxygen in left hand side, but one oxygen in right hand side. So you apply here 2 before the compound. Now according to rule, after balancing the preceding step, you go on backward step. Now in backward step, that is non-metal, carbon here only one, but here carbon in left hand side only one carbon, but in right hand side two carbon. So you apply here 2. Now you check it again. Here 2 carbon left hand side, in right hand side also 2 carbon, 2 oxygen in left hand side and 2 oxygen in right hand side. In this way, this equation is balanced because number of atom in the left hand side is equal to the number of atom in right hand side. It is the way of balancing the equation. Now I am providing you next example. After doing 5 to 10 example, your concept will be crystal clear and you follow this rule very easily. Now I am going you next example. Here this compound, that is magnesium nitride, Mg3N2 plus H2O, when react then form magnesium hydroxide and ammonia. Now you follow the rule. First we check which element is metal? That is magnesium. We see here magnesium, it is metal here in left hand side and magnesium in right hand side. First so you balance the number of magnesium in both sides. In left hand side 3 number of magnesium, but in right hand side only 1 magnesium. So you apply 3 here. According to rule, first you balance the metal. So I balance metal. After balancing the metal, you go on non-metal according to rule. Here 2 non-metal. Here nitrogen is act as non-metal. We know that. Obviously it's clear, crystal clear. Non-metal is nitrogen. In left hand side 2 nitrogen. And in right hand side in ammonia, that is only one nitrogen. So you apply 2 here because 2 equal number of in both sides. And we say that after balancing the second step, you go on previous step. In previous step, you check the number of metal. Here magnesium 3 and number of magnesium 3. It don't in disorder way, it is in right way. So you go on next step. Now you check it. After non-metal, you balance the oxygen. In left hand side only 1 oxygen, but in right hand side we know that here whole number means inside the whole oxygen, number of oxygen multiplied by this 2, that is 2 oxygen, and 2 is multiplied by this 3. So 2 into 3, that is 6 oxygen. So right hand side is 6 oxygen. Right hand side number of oxygen is 6 oxygen. In left hand side in H2O only 1 oxygen. So you apply 6 here. Now oxygen 6 oxygen, it is balanced. After checking preceding step, you go on backward step. So you check each and every element again. After checking, that is 6 oxygen. Number of magnesium is 3 balance, nitrogen 2 balance, 6 oxygen balance. Now we come on the next point, that is hydrogen. Here we see here 6 oxygen and 6 to the 12 hydrogen, and check here only 3 to the 6 hydrogen here and 2 to 3 the 6 here hydrogen 2 because it is under the bracket, and 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6 hydrogen and 6 hydrogen. So number of hydrogen is also balanced in both sides. Now this equation is completely balanced. Again I repeat it. Here number of magnesium is 3. Again number of magnesium is 3. Number of nitrogen metal, number of non-metal, that is nitrogen is 2, nitrogen 2. Now third step is oxygen, 6 oxygen, 3 to the 6 oxygen, and hydrogen 6 to the 12 hydrogen, that is completely balanced. So according to rule it is correct. Now I am providing you the next example. After watching A to Z example, your concept will be crystal clear. Now first you see this equation. Here copper oxide will react with ammonia, then copper plus nitrogen plus H2O 4. So according to rule, first you balance the metal. Here copper act as a metal in left hand side, the number of copper is 1, but in right hand side the number of copper is 1. So in both sides the metal is already balanced. Now in second step, according to rule, after balancing the metal you come on the non-metal. First you select the non-metal. Here nitrogen act as a non-metal. Here 2 nitrogen, here only 1 nitrogen, so you write 2. Now nitrogen 2, here again nitrogen 2. So first you check the, after going on preceding step, you check the previous step. In previous step, metal, 1 metal copper, 1 metal copper, it is don't going on disorder way, it is already correct. Now after balancing the non-metal, you come on the point oxygen. Here in right hand side 1 oxygen, in left hand side already 1 oxygen, so oxygen is already balanced. Now after balancing the oxygen, you come on the point hydrogen. So you check in left hand side 2 3 is 6, that is 3 here, 3 multiply by 2, that is 6 hydrogen. Here 2 hydrogen, so you apply here 3. Now here 6 hydrogen, again left hand side also 6 hydrogen, but according to rule, you balancing the preceding step, you must go on the previous step. So Again check hydrogen balance. You check oxygen. Now number of oxygen is 1, but in the right hand side number of oxygen is 3. So you apply 3 before copper oxide. Now again check after oxygen balancing, you go on the previous step, that is non-metal. Non-metal here nitrogen is 2, again nitrogen 2, it is already balanced. Now after balancing the non-metal, you go on the previous step, that is metal. Metal here 3 copper is a metal, but here only 1 copper, so you balance, so you write here 3. Now metal is already balanced. Again each element is completely balanced. Check it. 3 copper, 3 oxygen, 2 nitrogen, 2 3 is 6 hydrogen, and 3 2 is 6 hydrogen. This equation is now completely balanced, and your concept going to be crystal clear after watching this video. Now I am providing you next example. Now I am giving you important example. You watch it very carefully, then understand this point. In this equation, ethane C2H6 plus oxygen giving carbon dioxide and water. Now after watching this equation, you see here metal is not present. So come on the second point, that is non-metal. Carbon act as a non-metal. In left hand side 2 carbon, in right hand side only 1 carbon. So you apply 2 here. Now you count the number of carbon, that is 2 carbon, again 2 carbon. After balancing the non-metal, you come on the point oxygen. In left hand side 2 oxygen, but in right hand side 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. It is in odd number. In the case of odd number, a problem will be created, but you sort in very easily. For you watch this video carefully. Now here in right hand side 2 2 is 4 1 5 oxygen, but in left hand side 2 oxygens. If you apply here 5, because in right hand side 5, then the number of oxygen will be 10 in left hand side. Then how can you manage? So you write here 5 by 2 in fraction, because this 2 will be cancel out. It is allowed. If you think that it is wrong way, then that's your misunderstanding. It is allowed in equation, but when we write here 5 by 2, it's looking very complicated way. So you remove this 2 in very easy way. You multiply this equation each term by 2, again then this 2 will be already removed. Now after multiply each term by 2, you get 2C2H6 plus 5 by 2 into 2. You see here 5 by 2 into 2 cancel, then 5 2, again 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10 CO2 plus 5 H2O. So after multiplying this equation by 2, we get 2C2H6, 5 by 2 cancel, that is 5 O2, and 2 into 2, that is 4 CO2, and 2 H2O. So number of oxygen is balanced. Now you check, go on. After balancing the oxygen, you go on non-metal. After balancing the oxygen, you come on hydrogen. Now you check number of hydrogen, that is 6 to 12 hydrogen. In right hand side 2 to 4 hydrogen. So you change this to 6. Now check number of hydrogen will be again 12. Left hand side and right hand side will be equal, but after balancing the hydrogen, you come on the point oxygen. Now in right hand side 4 to 8 oxygen plus 6 oxygen, that is 14 oxygen, but in left hand side only 2 oxygen. So you change this 5 into 7. Now change this 5 in 7 to 14 oxygen. Here 4 to 8 plus 6, that is 14 oxygen. Oxygen already balanced. Now we check on non-metal. 2 to 4 carbon already balanced. Now each and every element is completely balanced. In this way we balance the equation in very clearly. Now your concept will be crystal clear. After doing practice more and more equation, you must follow this rule. First you balance the metal, non-metal, oxygen and hydrogen, and going on a preceding step, you must come on the each previous step. In this way your balancing will be, you can balance any equation in very easily. Thank you. Now we'll discuss next point in my next video.